The Infinity System Control works with their Infinity line of communicating HVAC equipment with GreenSpeed technology to maximize comfort and efficiency. The unit can control up to 8 separate zones in the home and works with Alexa Smart Skills. The unit is Wi-Fi enabled and provides a 5-day local weather forecast. The Ecobee 3 light control is made for Carrier brand equipment by Ecobee and features IntelliSense technology, which allows remote contractor monitoring and troubleshooting of the HVAC system. The control works with most smart home systems and has built-in air quality monitoring as well as voice control. They offer a power extender kit for homes where the thermostat wiring does not provide for AC wire. The controls are only sold and installed by factory-authorized Carrier equipment dealers. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HVACforbeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.